changing times, the Government of India is making rules stringent for people of Indian origin, PIOs, who have obtained the special facility called the Overseas Citizen of India, OCI, cards. Considered a privilege for recent emigrants or those who migrated out of India 4 generations ago, officials say the OCI card does not confer equal rights as Indian resident citizens to those who left India. The purpose was intended as a special privilege so those with OCI cards can come and go freely to their country of origin, conduct and engage in commerce and imbibe more culture and remain connected with their heritage. OCI card does not confer citizenship or dual citizenship in any way. Over the last 3 years, the Indian government has faced challenges of dealing especially with those foreigners of Indian origin or acquired Indian connect through marriage. While participating in politics and buying agriculture land was always barred, over the past nearly 15 years or so travel to sensitive areas particularly for journalists with OCI status has come under the scanner. In the recent times, spanning a 3-year period, India has revoked 105 Overseas Citizens of India (OCI) cards under Section 7D of the Citizenship Act 1955. Minister of State for External Affairs Kirti Vardhan Singh told the Lok Sabha on 2 August 2024. Singh explained that the distinct advantage of the OCI card is that it in itself is a lifelong visa and therefore no separate Indian visa is required to be issued to OCI card holders. Singh was answering a question submitted by Pratima Mondal, Trinamool Congress MP from Jayanagar, West Bengal. Section 7D of the Citizenship Act allows the government to cancel OCI cards for reasons including registration of the card by fraudulent means, shown disaffection with the Constitution of India, assisting an enemy at war, being sentenced to imprisonment for 2 years or more, and if the marriage of the OCI card holder has been dissolved by law. In 2019, the government amended the OCI rules, making it imperative for a card holder to apply for a special permit to report from India.